I am demonstrating the Wi-Fi on this Red Hat Linux laptop running ArcaOS in a virtual machine. First thing I want to do is say that I've got the Ethernet plugged in. You can see it on the left side of the computer. And I'm going to start the Firefox browser to demonstrate that the internet is on, and once the wired Ethernet is there, there's showing that the network is on. The network will only function on ArcaOS when you're on the wired Ethernet, but for Linux it would be nice for it to work even when it's on Wi-Fi. So I'm going to power this down. Then I'm going to power down the Linux. Okay, now I'm going to unplug the Ethernet and repower the Linux. Now I'll demonstrate that the network is on for Linux. You can see that the Linux browser is now connected to the internet. All right, thanks for watching.